part 2 of holiday fishing with me and my brother Mason. We're gonna go and destroy this little creek. It's a little bit rainy, so I'm probably gonna be wiping off this camera a whole bunch. Sorry if the footage is kind of moist, but we're trying to catch some donkeys. It looks like a good weather for it. There might be a little bit further, might hit a good dry patch, but we're gonna hit the water. Let's just take a picture. No, I need to go have the.
What do you want to do? What do you want me to do?
Grab what you want and throw it inside the bag. I'm gonna take my same pack. I'm grabbing a lot of Googan baits today. Yeah, I went out and got a whole bunch of new Googan baits. You know, and try out this little pond. I got the thick flipping jig. You can go and find this at any Dick's, Academy, almost any bait shop you can go find these at. I think even Walmart's starting to carry some of these. I got the Saucy Swimmer. Got some of those in there as well, and I got a brand new bag of Dieter bugs. I've been out of these since October, so I'm finally glad I read up on that.
Throw a little Googan wacky right here in green. It's got a little weedless rig at the top, so that's gonna do the job for us today.
I'm gonna be throwing around this white chatterbait with a Shakoshi bug on it on my Pro Max here. Looks pretty decent, but it's getting kind of rainy. It's a bit shallow, but Mason caught an absolute giant. I'll probably put the picture in the video. So we're hoping to catch one as well today.
Just go all the way up and down. We'll go way up there too.
Some family sight fishing. That's what we're doing today. Try not to go and get too hyped because this is how you hunt fish. This is one of those waters that you have to hunt them. So Mason's getting the first one. Yeah, we gotta be hunting them. We gotta be quiet. Yeah, I'm probably gonna drop this weight off. Nothing wrong with having a weight, but
Every once in a while they'll be on the complete other end of the bed too.
mm-hmm.
I like to drag all the way across, work it the whole time. You never know.
That's what I'm thinking about doing. Giving it a nice, smooth, slow dangle. You know, the big ones kind of move back up here. All right, let's play a guessing game here.
1.2.
All right, peeps, he's thinking 1.2. I'm thinking about almost borderline 2. Borderline 2.
Not too bad.
Look at that. Let's see that bucket mouth. Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
I was casted right under that tree over there, and I let it sit this time. I didn't give it too much
Grab
action.
that bag.
Didn't give it too much action or nothing. I just let it sit under the tree. Gave it just a couple little notches here and there, but yeah. Ooh, 1.2.
Yeah, almost. It's pretty much almost 2 pounds. Borderline 2. That's 1.5 pounds.
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too bad at all. Look at that. Studily. All right, yeah. Mason's on the board. He caught one, and so far he's catching a decent one to start off with.
Not too bad.
Yeah, best part.
Saves the wacky right there. Best part.
Yeah, Mason was thrown off. Looked wackies the other day, left and right. Yeah.
The whole package.
Finally. Oh, I see him. I see him. He's still there. What are you doing? Oh. Finally. Oh, put up a good fight. Oh, I can't believe that. That's crazy.
Nice little bass, bro.
Throw this one on the scale. What was yours? Like 1.5.
I think.
Yeah, it's 1.5. On the old crack and crawl.
Yeah, I'm about to say that those are the second best thing I like to use out here.
By Googan baits. On a little old Ned head. Doing it right. Now to go throw this guy on the scale really quick and release it. I can't believe I just caught that. And I just turned off. There we go. He's oh, 112. That's not bad. That's not bad.
There you go. Over a pound at least.
Over a pound. Not bad at all.
Good start. Only up from there.
Yep, only up from here. Now we're gonna drive up there?
Yeah, if you want to. I was gonna try. I've never been over here before. I was just gonna look.
Yeah, it looks like it gets a little bit more shallower.
It looks too shallow.
And I think we were scaring bass, but they're bluegill.
By the shrub.
Yeah, that's all bluegill. Bluegill, bluegill.
Go up to that next spot there.
Hold on, let's take a mosey. There might be one big one just hanging out in the shallow.
Lingering around.
All right, so the first spot that we went to, this very, very clear little creek. We have caught 1.5 pounders. Mason caught a little bit chunkier one, pretty nice one. And I caught one that was peel and drag. I wish I caught it on camera, but I shut my camera off before I caught it. But we're gonna go try another little spot and hopefully catch a few more before the sunlight ends.
I'm gonna keep going down. You can throw wherever you want. It's more off the lead bed. You can get over there on that boat.
I haven't even seen a single one over here. You got one? Mason, that's one. Mason's hooked up.
Oh,
Mason, did you lose it? Oh, it's your hook. You got a baby hook on there.
no. Put the.
The weedless ones on there?
Dude, that's. Mike, that's a big ass pack. Oh. Oh.
Did you see it?
No, I'm just chunky.
Look.
I don't know. I don't know. I think maybe sometimes it just happens.
Think maybe it wasn't big enough?
That first one definitely wasn't. That was not the case the first one. I'm not fucking with you.
I mean, you're throwing a pretty good sized worm, so.
Fight him.
Alright.
You're good, you're good.
Alright.
You got shit. Get out of here.
Alright. Go in for the grab. Go in for the grab. Go.
Come on.
Go. Over there. No, he's over here. He's over here, Mason. Oh, he's stuck in the brush now. Get him.
Oh, he's one. Come here. Okay. Just a sec.
Oh my God.
There you go. There you go, boy.
Just, Mason, shine your flashlight.
Right.
Oh my goodness, people, you do not even know.
Listen to you, get one.
Oh,
Oh, that hook wasn't coming out.
that's in his tongue.
All right. Good, bro. Good shit.
All right, let's get a picture.
That's what I'm doing right now. Hell yeah, I'm happy. Let's see. Bring it in towards you, me. There you go. Turn it sideways. There you go.
Oh, that was a monster.
Fuck yeah.
Like that. Where's my phone at?
Yeah, it's saying 3.
It's saying 3. All right, let's see. It's 3. Right at 3. Right at 3. What a stud.
Damn, that's a stud.
All right, so it happened. Mason over here promised big bass.
Yep, promised we'd catch a 3 at least.
We went to some clear waters, shallow too. I was like, dude, what the fuck can there be big fish in this? And Mason caught a pounder and a half. I caught a pounder almost and a half. I think it was like 1-2 or something. Mason caught a 132, and I caught a 112. And we kept missing them. We kept missing so many good bass. I cannot even believe. I probably got a few of them on camera of like we're setting the hook and losing them. And we're about to call it out. We're about to, you know, go home. That's the end of it. You know, go home defeated. But we caught a donkey. All right, we caught a 3-pounder. It's what we came out to do. We came out to catch big fish, and we did it. So I got to thank my bro over here, Mason. He fucking
right there, yeah.
That's why we're brothers. All right, we're out here catching donkeys all the time. It's gonna keep happening. We're gonna keep doing it. Stay classy, San Diego.